Hello everybody, welcome back. In today's lesson, we're gonna talk about demonstrative pronouns in English. We use demonstrative pronouns to point at things, people, or animals. Demonstrative pronouns are both singular and plural. A singular demonstrative pronoun is used to point at one thing, a person, or an animal. But a plural demonstrative pronoun is used to point at more than one thing, more than a person, or more than an animal. Let's see them one by one. This, this, this. This is a singular demonstrative pronoun. We use it to point at one thing, one person, or an animal which is near to us. That. We use that to point at one thing, one person, or an animal which is far from us. Use this to point at something which is near, but use that to point at something which is far from you. This. It is a plural demonstrative pronoun. We use it to point at more than one thing, more than a person, or more than an animal which is near to us. Those. It is also a plural demonstrative pronoun. We use it to point at plural things, people, or animal that are far from us. This, use this to point at plural things that are near to you, but use those to point at plural things that are far from you. Let's repeat them once again. This, that, this, those. Now, let's continue the lesson and see some sentences with demonstrative pronouns. Look at this one. This is an apple. This is an apple. That is an apple. That is an apple. These are apples. These are apples. Those are apples. Those are apples. So as you can see, making sentences with demonstrative pronouns is super simple. Now let's go to the final part of the lesson and see some more examples with demonstrative pronouns. This is a book. This is a book. This is not a pen. This is not a pen. These are books. These are books. These are not pens. These are not pens. That is a pen. That is a pen. That is not a book. That is not a book. Those are pens. Those are pens. Those are not books. Those are not books. Great. Our today's lesson is over here. Thank you very much for being with me. Please subscribe to the channel, share and like the videos.